We got a 2020 Supra. Thing is sweet, looks just like Jay's car. Silver with the black trim. We're doing something pretty sweet, super common at the shop. Muffy D, baby, getting rid of this thing. Running a high flow Y pipe and then slapping some 5-inch tips on there. It's gonna look pretty pimp. Got these babies going on there. All right, it's gonna fill out that whole cutout. It's gonna look badass. And we're getting rid of the Muffy. So this is actually the 4-cylinder, not the straight 6. Usually comes in all the other Supras and the M340s, but this one is more like a 330, so it's a 4-cylinder turbo BMW engine. And like I said, we're just running a high flow Y. I'm gonna cut it back here, run the Y, run the 2 extensions to the 5-inch tips, and then get them and flush out that bumper. As you can see, the exhaust continues to this oval resonator, some oval piping here. All the BMWs, you see the BMW logo right there. You thought I was lying? It said BMW engine, all right? BMW cat, BMW resonator, and then like I said, some oval piping for clearance purposes. And we're leaving that, and then leaving all this midsection here, and then deleting the muffler on the back. So we did a patented Muffy D on this baby. You see that? Home of the Muffy D, guys. Got the Supra all done. Gio, he did a El Pipa. Got the high flow Y pipe. Did a 5-inch tips on that Supra thing. It looks good. It's gonna sound even better, guys. We're gonna drop it, let you guys hear it. Like I said, the rest of the system's stock. Got the stock resonator on there, stock cat, stock downpipe. Later on, if you do want to upgrade this car, air intake, high flow catted downpipe, maybe a tune, maybe some bigger injectors if you're really trying to race some things out there. But Supra GR 4-cylinder, one of the sweetest upgradable cars on the road. Shout out to Jay. He's got the same exact spec Supra, except it's got a 6-cylinder, an i6 in there. This one's got the 4-banger. So I'm gonna drop it, let you guys hear it. Let me know what you think.